My dear students, grade 7, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The lesson today is continuing of chapter 10, Introduction to HTML document. Here we have some of the attributes that we can use in our HTML, and I will explain each attribute. We have here BG color. It's used for to set the background color of the document. The value color name, maybe it's coming in hexadecimal code, or it is just a name like pink. Okay, like pink, you can see it's just a name of a color, or it comes in a code like this. For each color in HTML document there is a code. Okay, we use it in hexadecimal instead of writing the name of the code. Now text, we have a text also here. Text attribute used to set the text color in the document. The value can be either a name or a hexadecimal code, same like this. And the example will be body text is equal to blue, or body text equal to this code which is assigned for blue in HTML document. We have also left margin. Okay, and we use this left margin. It's a numeric value, and the units are always in pixels. The units are always in pixels. Here is the examples how to use it. Okay, body left margin is equal to 54. Okay, and the margin means the distance between the text and the border of the page. The border of the page. We have also here top margin used to set the top margin of the page. Also, it's a numeric value. It's a numeric value, and the units will be in also in the pixels. Okay, like this, for example, body top margin is equal to 60. 60 means stands for pixels. Okay, my dear students, here as you see in HTML document, the coding will start with HTML and will end up with slash HTML. We'll start with HTML and will end up with slash HTML. We call it on tag, like I explained you on the last time, and it's off tag. Okay, then after the HTML comes the head. Okay, the head, and then inside the head there is a title, and then you close the title code, and then you close the head code. Okay, so the title comes inside the head code. Okay, now the body background is equal to yellow. As you see here in the figure, this one, the background is turned to yellow. Okay, and the text is blue. Okay, and here he assigned the top margin 50 and the left margin 55. My dear students, as much as you practice doing HTML coding, as much as you get deep into it and you understand it better more. Okay, but you have to practice typing the HTML coding. Okay, and the last time we have stopped by the line break. Okay, the browser does not recognize paragraph formatting in HTML text. If you want to start a new line, you need to insert this coding. Okay, break, and which is called line break, means to start a new line. This element has no end tag. It doesn't have an end tag, so it is not a closing, opening and closing tag. It's just having an opening tag. Let us consider an example. Type of the following HTML code in Notepad and save the document as an HTML file always, and open it in the browser. Open it in the browser. You will notice that through the text is 3 paragraphs. The browser displayed it displayed it as a single paragraph. The browser displayed it as a single paragraph, as you see here, but we have here the codings, okay, and how to use the line break. You have to practice this, my dear students. Just open your book and start typing each and every coding you found in this chapter, because then you will be able to write the HTML coding much faster, and you will understand what it means each coding separately. Now, at the end, my dear students, please, you have this practice time as a homework, please, which is page number 140. Please, I wish everybody who have a computer, just open your notepad and start typing this codings here, right, and save your file with a .html extension, and then open it with your internet browser. Thank you very much. That was the lesson for today. Thank you, my dear students.